A couple weeks back, I did a video of new to me brands that I was excited to potentially purchase this year, with the idea of talking about 5 or 6 different brands that I really liked and then purchasing something from one of those brands. And that's what I did today. These. So in this box right here is a pair of Wear Henry's curved pants. If you're not familiar with Henry's, I definitely recommend checking out my initial video. And the idea behind this video is to do an unboxing, kind of talk about the things that I think are kind of cool and just unique details about these jeans, and then wear them for about 30 days and give you my honest review on how I like them after 30 days of wear, once I've had them hemmed and that kind of thing. But let's get into the video. This is not working out well. All right, so I've opened the box for another box. And if you're not familiar with Henry's, this is kind of his signature color. It's kind of cool that he packed it up this way, and kind of a cool touch because, you know, as a small business, these little things go a long way, but they're also expensive. Doing this is not a cheap thing, even if it is $2 or $3. If he's doing it for 50 or 80 pairs, like that adds up quick. So kind of a fun detail. So the color that I believe I got, I don't remember the exact name of it. I believe it's called a like brown khaki or bone khaki. And they are very pretty. Again, you're gonna see the Henry's kind of logo on the top. And then this patch. So this is kind of cool. It's like a canvas, and then he screen printed on it. The patch pockets are super cool on there too, or the back pockets. These are similar to, I would say, like a Lee Ryder, kind of like a dropped pocket. Traditional donut hole buttons. It's gonna be like vintage to like the 40s, I wanna say. YKK zipper with an orange touch, which I think is super, super cool. Inside, I ended up getting a 32, which they do talk about all of their measurements on there before you buy, which is nice. And then it's like little just nuances. So you're seeing like orange kind of inlays, especially where he bar tacked everything. You're not gonna see traditional rivets. I think that's something that he probably just decided not to do. You have your V-stitch like you would in like a traditional Levi 501. And a big thing with Keith Henry is a lot of his stuff is inspired by vintage. There's a lot of like vintage workwear, vintage heritage, and things like that. But I think he does a good job of taking that and using that as a reference, not trying to make one-to-one pieces. And then a big thing, and I know this is gonna be big for your denim heads, is these are not salvage. And the term Japanese salvage denim has kind of gotten to this point where it's like eye roll, because people have this idea that just because it's a salvage ID makes it better. And I already know that there's going to be a lot of people that are going to sit there and go, these are not worth the price. These are blah, blah, blah. Insert any Japanese Osaka 5 brand and they're going to be better and blah, 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 blah. It's not about that, right? Like, it's about, one, supporting a local business that is really important to you. It's about the fit. Like, the fit on these, from my understanding, is going to be crazy. And the fact that like one dude is making this exact pair by hand, and putting his blood so it tears. He's putting some time into something, and that's something that I wanted to support. So just because it doesn't have a salvage ID doesn't mean it's not a highly good pair of pants. And I am super excited to see how these look, but let's go try them on. So I got my pants on, and they're sick. I am very happy with them. I apologize for the lighting. It's not really set up all that well, but these are definitely a relaxed straight fit. I think there's a slight taper on them. As a person who is athletically built, I am 5'8", 175 pounds, 79 kilos, and like 172 centimeters for my metric friends. The relaxed fit is awesome. And a big thing, like I was saying, because I'm more of like an athletic build, like the waist is nice, but it's got like body in here. So a big issue that I have with a lot of my jeans is they'll fit me in the waist and then they'll be super tight here, or they'll be loose in the waist and fit me properly here. So this is like a good, like, relaxed fitting. Big thing that I love is the fact that these pockets are deep and can actually like be gotten into. I have so many pairs of pants that I just can't even get into, which is so frustrating. So having these is great. They are a little long, and I will definitely need to go get these tailored. But overall, these are awesome pants, and I'm excited to see how these are going to age over the next 30, 40, 50 days and just kind of go from there. But we'll talk soon, you guys, and I'll see you in 30 days. Bye. 30 days of my Wear Henry's pants. And honestly, They are great. I'm gonna just randomly have pop-up videos of what I wore during the 30 days and just how I styled it, so you can go from there. And I'm not gonna spend too much time on the fabric just because they're not going to make these again. It's more about the cut, the fit, and what I liked about it. And at first, I will say I didn't really love the cut of the pants, but a lot of that had to do with the fact that they were just too long. Once I got them hemmed, they were perfect. I went with a 30 inseam on these because I like a little bit of a break, and honestly, they have been great. When they were a little long, they bunched up a little too high, and I felt like I had too much like extra space up here, and I just didn't love the look. So once I had them hemmed, they were great. One thing that I did notice, and you're gonna see a little bit of booty, is he actually like kind of, I don't know exactly what this is called, but I like pleated it or like overlapped it, so it has like a little bit more of an hourglass shape, which is great for me as a person with like an athletic body style. I have a giant ass, and I love the fact that I can just like literally get into my pockets. I know I talked about it, but it's just something that is so nice for this. The waist is super high on it too. This is a 13-inch rise, which I really, really like. I think it's really comfortable. There are a little bit of downsides on it. When I bend over, it like rolls over and flips over like around here, which is kind of annoying sometimes, but it's really not that big of a deal. The one thing that I will say about these as well, if you are like a thinner guy, these might be super baggy for you because they have a little bit of like a wider top part than they would be like a traditional like straight. So that might be something that would take a little getting used to. I do kind of wish that he had like his styles on his website, even just like kind of a run through, but because he's making everything one off and everything, it's probably hard to stay super consistent that way. So he just does his measurements as he does it, which is probably the better way to do it. But I do wish he had like his Carterium jacket or the circular pants or the round jeans or whatever like on his website, that you could at least get an idea of like what the overall cut looks like. But other than that, I think these are great. I do think these are definitely more of a wide or relaxed kind of tapered look that you would get from that. So if you are a little bit more of an athletic shape, these are going to be great for you. And if you are thin, they might be a little bit weird, but overall, I am super happy with it. I do want to reiterate the fact that a lot of people are going to say something about the fact that they are not salvage denim, and for the price point, they should be way cheaper than that. Salvage is blah, blah, blah. And the fact that they're on like, shuttle looms and slow process and have slubby and character and everything. These have a lot of character, and that's going to change from like jean to jean, pant to pant. So use that as you will. But the one thing that I will say, and I have a friend of mine that is making clothing, or he's a part of like the manufacturing for making clothing. So I sent him a picture. I was like, what is better, a salvage ID, or these are what they call flat felted, I believe. And he's like, they're both going to be good for different reasons. Like flat felted jeans are going to have, or flat felted pants are going to be very durable. Like this is a process that is not easy to do. They're going to wear in very, very well, and they're going to be a strong stitch, where something like a salvage ID isn't going to be the same kind of stitch, but because they're already self-edged, it's a little bit of a different thing. So don't get caught up in this, oh, it's salvage, it's not salvage, it's this, it's that. Like buy the pants that you like and just make sure that you're getting the quality that you can. And these are an extremely good pair of pants that I think is worth the money, at least in my opinion. But that's all I got. I'll let you ramble. 30 days later, we'll talk soon, you guys. Bye.